providers?
So government rules nothing out and keeps everything under review, but I do think it's really important that we try to get a handle at a Eurozone level on the potential economic impact of the conflict, because there's a very different economic impact between something that may last another few days versus something that may last weeks and months. And indeed, the European Commission told us yesterday that the impact from an economic and an energy point of view could be relatively benign if this is something that lasts a short period of time. So we've got to make sure whatever economic medicine the world may require, that we fill the right prescription. And what could seem like the right thing to do today could actually turn out to be the wrong thing to do next month. And we've seen an example of that overnight, because if you remember yesterday, we saw the massive spike and peak in terms of oil prices. Then we saw comments made by the President of the United States overnight our time, and we saw a very significant reduction in the cost of oil today. Still high, still elevated, but a very significant reduction on yesterday. So where that ends up in the next number of days will have a very significant bearing on what governments may need to do, and the Irish government's keeping everything under review. On the price gouging issue, I mean, look, I accept that there can be reasons in terms of supply and demand why price can go up. I get that. But I also think there's very peculiar anomalies where in parts of Ireland, only a couple of kilometres apart from each other, the price can be X and the price can be Y. I mean, that can't be blamed on Iran. That can't be blamed on any president of any country. And I think that's concerning. I welcome the fact that the CCPC is carrying out its own investigation into these issues. I'd encourage any member of the public to bring forward any information that they have or any concern that they have to that investigation. So I won't prejudice that and let that do its work. But I do think, even after all the commentary that I've heard from industry, I do think it's peculiar, to say the least, that a couple of kilometres apart from each other there can be such a big difference. And we've all seen examples, I'm sure you've seen examples of that, where it's gone over €2 in some petrol station, and just a couple of kilometres away it's significantly below that. That can't be blamed on Iran or what's happening in the Gulf. So I look forward to the CCPC doing their work.